Hi, Leoni here from Horkans Garden Centre. I'm just showing some pots today. We have fantastic value in pots. These trio of pots were €97, now down to €37. I've just put together some collection just to show you what can be done with them, even at this late stage in the summer. So the big one, I've put a hydrangea with some Busy Lizzie. This one here is osteo, and this little guy will trail down the front. That's a little colourful. In the small one, I've just done something very simply. I have Busy Lizzie again, just to keep the colour simple, matching in. This also has the calibrachoa and the osteo. I'm going to cheat with this one because it is so late. Look at this for a beautiful hanging basket. So that will just fit neatly in. The handles come off, there's no problem. All you need to remember is add a little bit of fertilizer when you're planting it. So the one I use is the 6 months Gro-Sure, and also regularly during the summer when you're deadheading, you also need to feed. Boost is a great one. Call into Horkans, we're open 7 days. We're here to help.